Yep. Morning. We're in LA, as you can tell. Yeah, and this time difference is hitting me like a truck, not gonna lie, but we out here.
Alright, what up folks? We are currently in Hollywood. It is day 3, it is Wednesday. We decided to come visit a drum shop. Professional drum shop. Oh, I'm pretty excited. I haven't touched a drum set in a while, or anything musical. So I'm pretty excited.
Wow. I love this.
This is honestly pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope.
Tone check.
It's not bad.
It's on. Not a drummer.
Drums.
So, what did you think?
Oh, 10 out of 10 experience. I'm just very hungry right now, but good experience, guys.
Drums. We're at Fatsals. I know nothing about this place, but my boy Nick says it's good. Let's see what's good.
Alright guys, so we're back at this food spot. It's called Fatsals. Fatsals. And they're known for like big sandwiches. They're opening theirs up. I got I don't know what I got actually. We got regular fries, which we already ate, which is bomb. And then we got pastrami fries with garlic aioli.
Look at that. Wow, this looks amazing. Look at that.
That looks fire though. Deep fried.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Wow.
Mine look like.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. Thank you,
Appreciate
man.
it. Word. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Don't drop it, please. Wow.
I don't even know which one has grilled onions or onions, but I don't care. It looks good.
Hold on. Let me see. This one.
How you know?
Y'all get ready to put y'all up on something, man. Yo,
This one.
when you see
How you know?
something ill,
This has more of the brown stuff than that one.
anything
Alright, here.
you see, whoa, have your face
Just have.
There's a wrap here.
So
So,
we're
bro.
trading.
So, how do we split all this?
Yeah.
Or are you just gonna eat the whole wrap?
Y'all want to try this? This is like that healthy wrap.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Y'all too.
Alright, cool.
So he's gonna try his first. What you get?
I got the honey barbecue chicken. That's what I got. It looks amazing, honestly. Wow. Insanity. Insane.
Mine's got fries,
Look good.
mozzarella sticks, bacon.
Wow.
Wow.
The salami hits, bro.
Hell yeah.
So good, bro.
This place is 10 out of 10.
I fell down to earth from 100 miles away, and somehow I still make it work. But it's overrated and somehow played out. 3 doors down so you can't ignore it. I'll hunt you down like a Tyrannosaurus. My teeth are sharp like a great white shark. Let me taste that flesh, is my favorite part. Got an eagle beak with the ostrich feet. 7 spider eyes for every day of the week. Means I'm still up working while your bitch ass sleeps. I'm an alien among the human beings.
That's nice.
I believe, if my memory serves me correctly, this is my first time on a Ferris wheel. I'm excited to like see the views, see all that stuff. It's cool. It's chill vibes. Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
Kind of like
We're at a Ferris
settling,
wheel.
but we out here. I'm gonna put my hands in. Wow. Oh my god. That's fire. Wow, this is very like peaceful but unsettling at the same time. This is something I'm not used to. Oh shoot, I didn't see the other side. Dang, the other side is dead, yo. But it looks good, but it's dead. Ooh, I don't like that blood there. Oh dang, what phone you got?
So what?
What phone you got?
iPhone 12.
iPhone 12? Yeah, bro. Wow, look better than my camera.
It's, you gotta like fix your what do you call it? Just lower the brightness. It makes it look better.
Damn, bro. Oh, he stay hungry, huh?
Okay, bro.
That boy stay hungry, bro. Alright guys, so tonight we're back at the gun range. Night 2. I am low-key kind of sick, but that doesn't matter. I've shot a gun before. Homeboy has shot a gun before. Point is that we get the point. We know how to shoot guns, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. But someone who doesn't know how to shoot guns.
Hello, I'm Chris. How you doing?
It's Christian. Christian does not know how to shoot guns. He's scared of guns.
I did not say I was scared of guns. Now he's just lying to your face. But we here.
Alright, once we go inside, we'll see his reaction. But it's day 2. I'm super excited because it's guns.
I gotta start slow.
Nah, we don't do slow here.
Huh?
Nah, we go all in.
I know y'all go all in, but let me at least start with something and then I'll go all in with y'all.
Should we get a small gun? Nah, the small gun's waste of money.
Y'all here to shoot?
Yeah.
Go ahead, fill out the paperwork at the clipboard, just bring it back to us when we're finished.
We're gonna sign our lives away.
Be ready.
Next thing we do, press this one.
I got a Scar 17. Super excited. I don't know what he got. He got something though.
What the frick?
Scar 17. Beautiful. Beautiful.
What you think?
That's crazy. What the? Where's my thumb go? Hey! That feels good, boy! That feels good! This one looks crazy. It's hot! Hold on.
See?
Woo, I'm scared, bro. Wow. Crazy.
That's wild. That's wild.
All right, guys. We just finished. We just had the time. I had the time of my life. I love firearms, even though, whatever. Point is, I really like firearms. Christian.
That was crazy. I loved it. That was actually crazy. I didn't expect it, honestly. I thought it was gonna be way harder than it actually was, but nah, I loved it. It was good. 10 out of 10 experience.
Where we're going now?
We are going to a shed that we just got invited to. A shed that we're not qualified to be in.
100%.
And we're cooked. That's all I can say. So we're about to see how this goes, because I really don't know what's about to happen right now. And that's that.
Hay un diablo que me llama, tengo un ángel que me ama. Hay errores que se pagan, no me arrepiento de nada. La vida